Rise for Deen, Al-Islam, religion with Allah since time began. Rise for dhikr, remembering Allah, and rise for the month of Ramadan. Oh, Ramadan.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You're welcome to Ramadan Diet, and I am Fadila Okunu. Do you just eat meat and fish as your protein source? Today we shall examine the different protein sources and the need to diversify protein in your diet. Bismillah.
Oh, Ramadan.
Do you know protein is found throughout the body? Protein is in the muscles, bone, skin, hair, and virtually all other body parts or tissues. Proteins are made up of many building blocks known as amino acids. The body needs 20 different kinds of amino acids to function properly. These body proteins are continually being repaired and replaced throughout our lives.
When we are talking about these proteins, there are three things that determines the quality of protein. Number one, the digestibility of the protein. Number two, the richness of the protein. What is the amount of amino acids that are present? How complete is the amino acid that are present in the protein? When protein digests, it becomes amino acids. And this amino acid, we have different types of amino acid, about 25 of them. So, how many of these types of amino acid is present in a particular food material that we have eaten that is proteinous? Number three, how is the body able to make use of this amino acid in metabolism? Scientifically, it has been observed that the quality of protein in animal source is richer than the protein in plant source. A lot of us will want to wonder, do plants have protein? There's nothing that does not contain protein. The amount of protein that is contained in that particular item determines whether we classify it as protein or we classify it as carbohydrates. Most of the foods that we call carbohydrates, they have a small amount, a particular amount of protein. It may be very, very, very minimal. However, there is a particular plant protein that is very rich and comparable to animal protein, and that is soybeans. We call it soya. It has been observed scientifically that the quality of protein in soya beans is comparable to the quality of animal protein. Animal protein are richer than plant protein. They meet up with those three criteria that I have mentioned earlier on. However, our kitchen practices may actually deplete or denature our protein. And we want the stew, the soup that we have prepared to last longer, because we don't want to be preparing every time. Some women may decide to fry the fish, fry the chicken, fry the beef before they cook it in the soup. And in the process of this frying, they want it to be so crispy so that it will last longer. Let me tell you at this point, the more crispy it becomes, the more protein you have destroyed. That is just natural. That is scientific. So we advise that instead of doing this, why not boil it and just refrigerate it, such that anytime you want to cook, take it from the refrigerator and put it in the stew, and you are okay.
How I wish you'd be here with me all year around. Ramadan, 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 ya Habib. Ramadan, Ramadan, ليتك دوما قريب. Oh, Ramadan.
Alhamdulillah, some have food but cannot eat. Some can eat but have no food. May Allah grant us the strength and the finances to eat right. Join me tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Rise for dhikr, remembering Allah, and rise for the month of Ramadan. Oh, Ramadan. Ramadan.